Are you looking for creative ways to make money? Well, look no further. Today, we're going to show you how to unleash the profit potential of motorbikes and make money on two wheels. The first way to make money with motorbikes is by becoming a delivery rider. With the rise of e-commerce, the demand for delivery services has never been higher. You can partner with various delivery platforms and start earning money by delivering goods to people's doorsteps. It's a flexible and lucrative opportunity. Next, you can offer motorbike taxi services in your area. Many commuters prefer motorbikes as a convenient means of transportation, and by offering rides, you can earn a substantial income. Just make sure you have the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally. If you have a knack for mechanics, consider starting a motorbike repair business. With so many motorbikes on the road, there's a constant need for maintenance and repairs. Set up a cozy workshop, offer quality service, and watch the profits roll in. Entrepreneurs can also explore the world of motorcycle rentals. Tourists and locals alike are always looking for a thrilling ride, and by providing motorbike rentals, you can cater to their adventurous spirit while making money. Lastly, you can monetize your love for motorbikes by creating content online. Start a YouTube channel or blog where you share your experiences, tips, and reviews. As your following grows, you can earn money through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With so many ways to make money with motorbikes, why not give it a try? Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and passion, you can turn your two wheels into a money-making machine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.